In this video, I will show you how to skip the night in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're here in game, and at the moment it's actually pitch black, so we're currently in nighttime. Now some people have looked into this and they think that by building a bed this is going to skip the nighttime. However, this does not actually work. Now the way to actually go ahead and do this is if you actually come out of the game, so you want to press on start, you just want to go down and select return to lobby, and this is going to take you out of the game and back to the game lobby. Now all you need to do is actually just go ahead and rejoin the game. So this doesn't matter, it's going to work whether you're on survival mode or sandbox mode, but you just want to load into the same game. So you can see I'm going to do that now. And what it's going to do is just going to take a minute to go through and connect to our world. And what you're going to notice is when we actually go back into the world, it should actually be back into daylight. Now this is a quick little tip that I found that can actually skip the night mode in LEGO Fortnite. As mentioned previously, unfortunately things like building a bed and sleeping in the bed does not always skip through the night time. Most of the time when you do this and you wake up, it's actually still nighttime in the world. So what I'm going to do is just wait for this to load through. As you can see, it's currently loading through now, and when the server loads through, you're going to see it's actually going to be in daytime. So here we are just loading through, and as you can see, it is daytime again. So that's how you can go ahead and skip the nighttime in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.